Sara, Ryan's first and likely only hole-in-one.
Ryan and Sara have demonstrated that their marriage is more than a joining of two lives. They have chosen to allow God to be at the center of their marriage.
Now, as brother-in-laws, I'm very privileged to be part of that group and your family as well. I wish you guys both nothing but the best.
And since we were 11 years old, we knew that we'd be standing right beside each other on this day, and I'm so glad to see you with somebody like Ryan. Through all these years, you've been the calm to my storm. We all need one, and I was lucky enough to have you as mine, and now you found that same thing in Ryan. He has all the level-headedness and strength that you need in a partner.
I, Ryan,
Take you, Sara,
take you, Sara,
to be my wife.
to be my wife.
I, Sara,
I, Sara,
take you, Ryan,
take you, Ryan,
to be my husband.
to be my husband.
It is by the power vested in me by the state of Tennessee that I now pronounce you husband and wife. You may kiss your bride.
Sara, his ideal partner, providing him guidance like a caddy. What's next for these two? Could Ryan someday be a daddy?
I love you beyond words and wish you nothing but the absolute happiness in these years to come with Ryan. And here's to the happy couple, a toast to love, laughter, and happily ever after.
We wanted a small wedding to have the most important people in our life, and that's exactly what happened. And we're so grateful for you guys. We love you all so much.